see you today. HobbyKids Adventures sent me a big, huge surprise box of HobbyKids Adventure Toys from Walmart. Wow! Let's go ahead and check these out. Watch what happens when the dino eats the HobbyKids TV toys and poops them out. I'm super excited today. HobbyKids Toys sent me this big box of HobbyKids Adventure Toys from Walmart. Wow, this is totally awesome. Really cool box too. It says HobbyKids over here. It says super cool stuff inside. Ooh, HobbyKids like animated series here. And it says unbox me. That is exactly what we're going to do. Whoa, they sent me a ton of cool stuff. They sent me the HobbyKids 13-piece adventure box. The HobbyKids Adventures High Five car. Wow. HobbyKids Adventures Eggmobile. We've got the HobbyKid Adventures soda shooting robot. And then there was something else in here. Oh, they sent me 4 of the HobbyKids blind bags. Okay, Colossal Velociraptor Blue and our new Indominus Rex are gonna help us unbox all these awesome HobbyKids toys that were sent to me by HobbyKids. Cool, let's get started. Okay, so where are we gonna start? We're gonna start with the HobbyKid Adventures HobbyFrog. Whoa! This is a soda shooting robot and the HobbyFrog could ride on top. Awesome. It says shoots soda cans, collect them all. Okay, so the soda shooting robot is awesome. So basically you're gonna turn this knob here to shoot the soda out. His arm is retractable, one of the arms, the other one moves. He's got a basket on the back here, so HobbyFrog could go in there and drive him, or look out. I say drive him. So, yes! And then a little surprise bag. In the surprise bag, we have the cans of soda. Wow, these are awesome. So I believe you push the soda can right in there, and when you turn this, it shoots out the soda can. You know what we're gonna do? HobbyFrog is gonna go over here. The Indominus Rex is sleeping. He's gonna sneak up on the Indominus Rex and shoot him in the nose! Ah! Oh no! The Indominus Rex did not like that! Run, HobbyFrog! Okay, so we finally got our Indominus Rex calmed down. Here we have the high five car. Yeah! Push it in and high five! And it comes with HobbyPig and a surprise inside. It says wings go up and down. Will you get the gold stickers? Collect them all. Yes! We have HobbyFrog. Wow, these characters are so cool. A little surprise bag and the high five plane. Yes! You could push in the high five plane and high five him in the head. Oops. But I think HobbyPig would prefer to ride in the high five car, and also the wings move up and down when you roll the car. That is so cool. Let's high five the camera. High five the camera. Look, high five, yeah. Oh, and what do we got in the bag? Are we gonna get the golden stickers? Oh, I don't know, we might. Oh, yes, we've got golden stickers. Awesome. Oh no, HobbyFrog has woken up the Indominus Rex. But what is HobbyFrog gonna do? Oh look, the Indominus Rex is coming in for the high five. Yeah, high five. Ha Let's do that again. High five. Yeah. Looks like they are friends, but oh no! Run, HobbyPig, run! Oh no! Okay, then our next one is the HobbyBear Eggmobile. It shoots fried eggs. It says, will you get the golden egg? Wow, that would be cool. Collect them all. Egg bobs up and down. Awesome. Okay, so we got HobbyBear, full articulation, a little surprise bag, and the Eggmobile. So HobbyBear could fit right into the Eggmobile there. Go ahead, shut the top, and he's inside a yellow egg. And when you move it, the egg pops up and down. How funny is that? I love these HobbyKids toys. I mean, they did a really great job. And then, I thought it would pop open. Oh, that's right. That launch button is for the fried eggs. So let's see if I can get the golden fried eggs. Nope, I got regular fried eggs. So I guess what you do is load up the egg right there, and let's try firing it out. Oh, that was awesome! I love how it fires like... It's almost like it's making you breakfast. Check that out. Oh, I think the harder you push, the farther it will go. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. Let's try this side. Maybe if I hold it up. Oh, we are making breakfast! Haha, that is awesome! Ooh, yes, I want extra breakfast! Ah! Oh no, HobbyBear! The Indominus Rex has HobbyBear. He thinks he's a giant egg. What's HobbyBear gonna do? Quick! He fires an egg down the Indominus Rex's throat. Quick, another egg! Oh, yeah! That was yummy. Okay, gotta go. Wow, that was a close one. Before he returns, let's hurry up. Open up these blind bags. So HobbyKids Adventures Ooey Gooey Pickin' Surprise Series 1. Oh, that sounds messy. Yes, the messier the better. There's a hole here. I wonder if you could open it right through the... You could. You just stick your finger right in that hole and open it up. Oh, it's a HobbyPig with slime. Cool. Okay, so it's a giant HobbyPig. I guess you'd just be able to squeeze the slime in a little bit at a time. And when you're done, you squeeze it and the slime will just pop out like this. Oh! Oh! That is disgusting. What in the world did you sneeze out? Okay, let's see what other characters we can get in here. It's kind of cool. You don't have to cut these open. You just stick your finger in there and pull it out. Okay, so we've got pink slime and HobbyFrog. So again, HobbyFrog, I guess you take the slime and It would take some patience fitting it in there. One thing I don't like is there's no way to seal it. I mean, how do you... I guess you could fill these with water and shoot it out. Or if you did want to do the slime, once it's shot out, it'd be like... Oh! And then our next one is... Oh, this is Blue Slime and HobbyPig again. And our final one is... Oh, we've got HobbyBear and Pink Slime. So again, load up the slime and... Achoo! Oh, that's disgusting! What did you do? So, HobbyPig, HobbyBear, and HobbyFrog. These are latex-free from Walmart. And then we've got the big, huge 13-piece set with a surprise ultra-rare figure inside and pie launcher. Sweet! So we've got Turtle Girls, HobbyBear, HobbyMom, HobbyFrog, HobbySkunk, HobbyPig, Slobby Rat, and Pie Launcher, and HobbyDad. Cool. Okay, so it comes with really cool background there. You got a rocket ship, skateboard, a spring. So it comes with this really cool background with like pop-out stuff you could set up the characters. So there we have HobbyBear. We have Slobby Rat. I love Slobby Rat. He looks really awesome. We have two of the Turtle Sisters. We got Slobby Skunk, but they forgot to put his stripes. In the picture he's got stripes. But all of these, well, most of these, their arms and their legs do move independently. And then we have HobbyPig, so give me a hug, and HobbyFrog. We have HobbyDad. Yay! I'm HobbyDad! So that would be me. I would be HobbyDad. And we've got HobbyMom. She's got her beret on and she's ready to do her art. And then, oh, surprise, ultra rare figure inside. Who is this going to be? I don't know. Let us see. Oh, it's a silver turtle girl. Yeah. So that is our ultra rare figure. So we will set them all up, and then we have our pie launcher. So simply go ahead, load the pies in here, and launch them out. That is awesome how it launches. I wonder if... No, it won't hold the pies. If you're not holding it up, it will fall out. But it's really cool. Put it in there and you launch the pies. Yes! And a pink pie. Pie launcher. Our hobby characters all minding their own business when all of a sudden, oh no, giant Velociraptor Blue comes in! Oh no, HobbyPig! HobbyBear! Slobby Rat! Slobby Skunk! HobbyDad! Turtle Sister! HobbyMom! HobbyFrog! Oh no, we're gonna see we're hobby friends. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot him in the eye with the hobby pie! Yeah! Take that! Take that! Uh-oh, something's happening! What's happening? HobbyKids Adventures for sending us all these awesome toys to review for my viewers, or HobbyKidsTV on YouTube. Go ahead and check them out.
Hi guys, Walt Dinosaur here, and today's secret word is the word. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video, and I know you're a member of my club. See you soon.
Click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.